What's going on, guys? It's height of the summer. Got the man flu / hay fever. We're awesome. Well, train graveyard, wagon graveyard, I'm going to say. As far as the eye can go. Just check these out. I'm starting up on the actual carriages. There's a tunnel up there, and there's actually full of trains up there also. Let's take one a little walk through. And see how high we are. Let the boys look down there.
Oh, alright.
As you can see, some are in better condition than others. These are pretty damn awesome. Size in that wheel. Damn cool. This bit might be a little bit jumpy, guys, as I just scurry on over. That's cool. As you can see, we've got an open line there. The actual station platform is down there, so we're not going to go that way. It's 26 degrees. It is rather warm. I'm not going to lie to any of you. But how cool are these? Sheer scale on them as well. I know I've done quite a few railway things in the past, you've probably seen on the channel. They never get old. Cute little butterfly as well there. Some track. Tell you what, some age to some of these wagons. I think I'll do, guys. I'll literally just walk the whole length with you, as far as I can go. Just for you all to appreciate it. Swindon 1958. Almost looks like one of the ones you used to put cars on. Now they're getting cool. Very cool, actually. Some trousers, as you do. Treated water. Getting up on top of those later, guys. Looks like some sort of crane truck. That one's been on fire. To be shunted with care. Look at the boom on that, awesome. It's oiled in '99. So that's a bit of distance ago. Almost 20 years now, that's scary. You can see the wheels. Sheer size on them. I'm actually surprised they actually go right through the tunnel, guys. Awesome. Oh yeah, you can tell these ones have been here a lot longer, mind. These are pretty cool. Open manhole covers, great. I know the GoPro isn't the best for darker situations, but hopefully you can see it enough. I can't even explain how nice and cool it is in here compared to out there. Jeez. what I'm going to do, guys, get up in some of these, get the torch out if you can see it a little bit better, and continue from there. So as promised, I've got the torch out so we can see exactly what we are working with. Isn't a whole lot, it's basically beam to beam. Damn cool. See some old drums. There's not a whole lot left up in here really. Just lean over to this other wagon. Things have either rusted through the floors out, or they've been taken out ready for restoration, etc. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm impressed. That's a pretty cool shot right through there, out into the sun. Yeah, we'll continue this along now, guys. Right, so there we are, guys. We're still rolling. 1987. So these have been here longer than I've been on this earth. Very eerie up in here because of how dark it is. It's very cool. Wishbone suspensions. '95, that was last checked. As you can see, they've much worse for wear. But I'm walking them to the edge just to say I've done it, and you lot can also see it. Now that's cool. Another crane. Awesome. That's pretty sweet. And what then we'll do is go back through and climb up on some of the trains so you can get some good views, etc. Barbed wire in there. And there we go, guys, we've walked the tracks. Sorry if you're trying to set fires in here. Bit sad really. And that's the train yard. Pretty cool, I like that. So yes, guys, I'm a man of my word. I told you I was going to get one of these wagons. True to it. Here we are. Lucky enough, the hatches are actually open, and you can see down on in them, which is actually pretty cool. Just got Kurt over there.
Yeah, I'll jump in front this one.
Oh, that's alright, a second. We're just there. So you can see trains as far as the eyes can see. Mr. Lee down there. Pretty damn cool, guys. I like it. Shout out Hell in Hollywood. Keep it happy. How's that for you, Dan? Shout out Disorder Films. Just Kurt. Outpost 51. Link in the description. So guys, we're going to end the video there, right by the bright coloured one. We'll bring up ginger beer, which is probably glowing in the sun. I hope you've enjoyed this little explore. I said it, you know, it's not a huge site, not a long video, but there's some pretty damn cool things to see. I literally walked the whole tracks for you. And yeah, let me know what you think. I said, as always, take care exploring. I'll see you up in the next one, guys.